So guys, is it possible to unlock 3 animatronics? I just did. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. If you hear a voice, that's my mom. She's talking to my brother. But I can't believe I unlocked Firework Freddy. This is like the 6th time. Thanks Foxy the Fox for sending it. Thank you so much, dude. Dude, it's like one of the only skins I've been wanting for my entire life. It's like one of the only skins I've wanted. Bro, I'm so happy. Dude, I'm so happy. I finally got a Freddy skin. Now all I need is Freddy and Shamrock Freddy, and I'll have the full skin. Like, let's check him out. Since I just... Man, he's all dirty. Now all I need is Freddy and Shamrock Freddy, and I'll have them. I am literally so happy right now. Please, guys, send me Freddy. I did get System Error Toy Bonnie, and I'm gonna switch, and I'll say I got a Checo Bonnie today. So let's go, guys. I unlocked Firework Freddy. Bye, guys.